All right, I'm back at my motel room, and so it's a little after 6:30 right now. So I think I'm going to take and run over to. I saw that there's a diner here. I looked online, and I'm just so I can walk. Something close enough I can just walk to. I don't feel like jumping in the car and driving anywhere right now. So it's close by. So I'm gonna head over there and try it out. Okay, Angelina's Diner. It's right there. Uh, get closer. Okay, there we go, heading in. And there it is. It's called the All the Way Burger. It's a half-pound patty. And French fries, and I also got Sprite there. So, time to eat. Angelina's Diner. That was really good. That filled me up. I'm good till morning now. Head back to the motel room. Yeah, it's beautiful. Ooh. There's my motel I'm staying in right there. All right. Well, talk to you later. All right. Well, I think that's going to wrap up today. I'm going to get ready for bed, and tomorrow's going to be a pretty good, big day, I think. I should be doing a lot tomorrow, I think, if everything goes according to plan. But anyways, that wrapped up today, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video.